Okay, folks, wanted to show you the firework collection for the 4th of July for Sarah. You're doing the fireworks. I'll go over them all. This is what a lot of the displays will look like. We have the red peony. Got all the President Salute firecrackers. Got all the presidents. Presidents from George Washington all the way to great old Barack Obama. So, you're doing the fireworks for Sarah. There she is, probably 4 or 5 years ago. We're doing the fireworks for her. She loves them every year. She's autistic. Light of my life, loves her fireworks, so I do them for her every year. So we'll go over the fireworks. Okay, this one here is a Copperhead high trajectory mortar shells. As you see, there's a tube in the middle and there's these round shells that are flaming balls. Just drop them down the tube as you light them. See, they have the wick on there. So you drop them down the tube and then they shoot up and they do the same thing as those do. So you also have a Wolfpack High Performance. We've got 6 balls in there, 3 on each side. So we'll be shooting them up too. Those are 6 shells. Then we have these right here, which are machine gun shells. These are 19 shots. They're individually tubes. You can see these, but these are bigger around, probably about that size. And these are half the size here. So we have 19 shots there. Plus we have another one, so we have 2 of those that'll be going up. And then we have Walloping Warheads, 12 shots. You see all them in there. Then we have the Barbarian Blast. That's 25 shots. There's a bunch of tubes on there, 25 of them. And we have the Battlefield 36 Barrage. You see all the tubes in there. And we have a 36 shot Battle of Colors. You see them all there. And we have a Gatling Cannon 90 shot. There's the cannon. Okay. Got a little small here. Small one here. Toot and Twirl. 7 shots. Little guy. And we have the 19 shot Arctic Blast. White crackle starburst with toot and twirl effect. You can see all of them in there. Wick in the center to light it. And then we have the Rain of Fire. 12 shots. Red palm trees with crackling red rain. So that ought to be cool. And we have Raging Rottweilers. And that's the how many shots it is, it doesn't say, but let's see, 3, 4, 16 shots. And he looks pretty mean there. Skull and crossbones. We got 2 of those, so side by side. And another Gatling gun, 90 shot. And then for the we got the Times Square silver green wave. Looks like there. That's just one big one that shoots up like these here. Great big ones. So we have two of those. We have two of the Empire Gold Willow Barrage. Two of those. Then we have three of the Park Avenue Pekingese Barrage. Those are cool. Pretty much up there. Pekingese. A nice fireball in the center. That's a 300. These are all 300s right here. 300 grain. And then I have the bigger ones, the 500s. 500 grains. A round red dahlia. That'll be a nice one there. There's the dahlia right there. So that'll be cool. We have three of those, with a couple bigger tubes here. That's one even bigger. But they're all 500. So that's the big boomer ones they send out at the shows when you're watching. So those are going to be cool. And we got a couple little smaller ones, a red fiery cloud. So that one shoots up flaming balls. You can see, neat looking. All right, and we also got some yellow jackets. Look like little bees buzzing around up in the when they go off. These are pretty cool too. Emits showers of sparks and shoots of flaming balls. And then we have these other two big ones here, 19 shot Midnight Monsoon. These are pretty cool too. Shoots of flaming balls up. There's a bunch of tubes in there that are pretty good size, about that size, so 19 of them. So we have two of those. And then we have the Flashpoint Barrage. Red and green colored pearl stars will report, and last effect of the center tube is red and green colored pearl stars and a report. So I want to be going up like crazy. There's, I don't know how many in there, but there's got to be about 50 or 60 smaller tubes in there, and ought to be a good show. We have two of those. Okay, that about does it for the fireworks show. So I hope you're all gonna join me and enjoy it all. It's gonna be a blast. Sarah's gonna be there watching, having a good time. Okay. Thanks for watching, everyone.